Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to on flashlight on your mobile phone camera flashlight. Okay, so friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting, then from here you have to click on this lightning option. On this side you are going to find the lightning, so you have to click here. Okay, just click here, then here click on the third one, and this flashlight is on. For whenever you click photo also it will be set on, whenever you don't click photo also, when you open the camera it will be set on. So if you want to off this flashlight, you can off by clicking on this cut, and if you want to on only the flashlight while clicking photo, you can on the last second, 1 2 3 last second. Okay, try to click photo, and here the flashlight has been set off, so you can set like this. Okay, and if you want to off, you can off from here. Sorry, just click on this here and click on here, the flashlight will be off. Okay, you can click photo. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.